Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to fix Find My iPhone not working on your iPhone 17 Pro. So if Find My iPhone is not working on your iPhone 17 Pro, then you will not be able to track your device if it's lost. So first of all, the first step how I would fix that is I would go to my settings and I make sure that I'm signed into my Apple account. So right here at the top, I should see my name and also my profile picture. And if I see that, that indicates that I'm signed in and everything is fine. And if not, you have to sign into your Apple ID account, because basically Find My application relies on your account to track devices. Okay, so then let's tap here and go to Find My section, and please make sure that Find My iPhone option is turned on. Basically you can turn on all of these three options: Find My network and Send Last Location options, for maximum protection. Okay, so the third step that I would do is I would check my location services. So let me go to my homepage of my settings, and then you have to scroll to Privacy and Security section and go to Location Services and make sure that they are turned on. And additionally, let's go to Find My section right here and make sure that Find My application has permission to access your location. So tap this option while using the application. You have to set your check mark next to this. And let's talk about the basics. You have to make sure that you have stable internet connection, because Find My application needs an internet network to update your phone's location. So make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi network or your mobile data. And also you can try updating your iOS, because outdated software can sometimes cause Find My application to not work properly. So tap your name here. No, I'm sorry, not here. You have to go to General and go to Software Update and check for any available updates, and you have to install them if you have any available ones. And also you can try restarting your iPhone, because simple restart can sometimes fix temporary glitches. So restart your iPhone and turn back to Find My application and test if that works. And that's it. So all of these steps should help you. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.